people, so mother and child are back at our favorite Forum Mall, and this time we've chosen to sit in these slightly different chairs because it will give you a different background. And strangely, like I said, the videos that I make of us at Forum Mall in particular tend to do well. So I think, and right now this young man is having a Subway, and we have these 3 baby rabbits that are with us. Not here, of course, but that's why we need to eat fast and be gone. But nice people. This is a Monday afternoon, and look at the crowd. See, everything is limping back to normal. And Ayush, you like Forum Mall, right? We always stop by at Crosswords, and then we are here. So yeah.
Why can't we go on a different one, like in Orbit Park?
Yeah, in Orbit Mall is a bit far away, but yeah, we should do that. So really, people, nice place to sit. And on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.